Hindi natin paniniwalaan lahat po ng statement ni David Tanliao. The prime reason kung bakit po siya na-implead as one of the respondents is because of the assertion of the David Tanliao doon po sa kanyang extrajudicial confession po when he surrendered before the AKG po. But maliban doon sa kanyang assertion ay wala naman siyang naipapakita pa na ibang ebidensya linking. Although may mga sinasabi po siya doon sa kanyang statements including the alleged meeting with the son and even the physical and even the calls, wala po siyang maipresent. That is why the PNP AKG, particularly the SITG, is being cautious in accepting hook, line, and accepting hook, line, and sinker po dito sa mga revelation po, at least allegation po ni David Tanliao, because we want to make sure na this should be backed up by other pieces of evidence. During the case build-up and prior to the inquest proceeding, isinabmit po yung mga extrajudicial confession po at statement po nung dalawa pong naaresto po natin at saka yung pong si David Tanliao. We cannot just turn a blind eye doon sa mga allegations po niya. Anyway, kaya nga po yun po yung reason why dinaan po natin sa preliminary investigation so that the family could submit a contrary evidence to prove of na hindi totoo itong sinasabi po ni David Tanliao, because specifically he was mentioned doon po sa statement po ni David Tanliao. So it is prudent on the part of the investigators and AKG to include his name as one of the respondents po. Anyway, like I said earlier, they will be given the opportunity to submit controverting evidence po. We cannot discount the possibility that the David Tanliao is misleading the investigation to cover up for someone. Yun yung hindi natin po pwedeng iisantabi yun. And there is also a possibility that David Tanliao is the mastermind himself, because considering po yung ibang mga involvement po niya doon sa mga previous killings po, together with the alias Kelly, John and Lynn, and their two Filipino cohorts po, and there is also a possibility that their group is operating within the scheme of things under David Tanliao.